So, Mr. Dakota, what did you just do again?
I built number 2 of blowing up dogs funny.
Blowing up dogs?
This time instead of 4 dogs, it's gonna be 100 dogs. Or 50. Probably 100. I'll see what I can do. Probably
You found
50.
those all naturally.
No, I have to put them in. Alright, turn the light off, Christian.
Let's off.
Get close to the screen, sir. So as you can see, I'm on single player, and I have my lovely house I built for them. It's always brick because it's nice. You can see I have my creeper bed. Just got the house. Now I just gotta spawn the dogs. Let's see. Spawn wolf. I'll do 50. Oh, they all died from the roof. Oh, they're all dying.
That's not good.
Did any of them live?
No.
Spawn 10.
Oh, none of them lived. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Hi, guys. All right.
Get bones.
Alright. Kill all. There we go.
99.
Entities. Means 99 things. Alright, let's try spawn
10.
Ooh, I know what to do. I know. Watch this. Freeze. Right? Freeze them. All mobs. No, I want them frozen. Freeze. And then break the. Oh my god. I'm gonna go crazy. Alright, now I can break them. I'll just spawn them from up here. Did I do 50 last time?
Yeah.
Make sure I didn't do like 400 or something. No, I'd probably know. So this is a nice little house. I'm not going to rebuild the roof, or should I?
Sure, yes.
Nah, they can't jump.
Well, yeah, they can't move at all. They're frozen. All they can do is turn.
So no. Doesn't need a house.
Okay, there's one more.
There we go, just do it.
Alright, so spawn wolf.
Make sure the door's closed.
They're frozen. Why do they spawn right behind me? Alright, kill.
Why do they all spawn together?
That's how they do it.
Do it again right there, like maybe they'll...
I'm gonna do it in the middle. Spawn 50? No, wolf. What the heck?
Oh, at least they're inside the house. It's good enough. Wait, turn off freeze, and then they'll all fall in.
Well, yeah, that's...
Turn off
Let me
freeze.
try flying first. A little lower. Okay, let's see. Spawn. If that doesn't work,
And turn off freeze.
yeah. Spawn wolf. 50. Oh, it's because they're frozen.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna kill them all. Now I know what to do. Alright.
Is the door closed? Because they were all running for the door.
Oh no, now it's closed. Yeah, it's closed now. I'm gonna do like 35.
Cougars, some of them got out.
Yeah, that's enough. That's fine.
Oh no.
No, I thought you were going to do 100.
I can't fit 100 in this little house.
Lag out his
Okay,
computer.
they're frozen. Now under here they have TNT, and I have a pressure pad.
Pad.
I always get that
Unfreeze
wrong.
and let 'em walk through.
I'm gonna unfreeze them. I'm
Wait
gonna
for one to walk on it.
Oh, yeah, they got it. Ooh, bodies. Ooh, major bodies.
Made your own death.
And what was the dimensions
Oh,
of
did
your
you see the dog? Oh, one dog lived.
What was the dimensions of your C4?
10 by 5 by 4. No, 10 by 5 by 2. My bad, by 2. It was 2 down.
20 C4 caused all this.
If you're wondering why it's C4, I have a new texture pack and that's C4 and it's a little bit more strong. Hey, did you? No. No dogs live. 265 entities. Feels good. Well, guys, that was how to kill 35 wolves in one house.
Is there any videos you want the viewers to watch?
Oh, yes.
All of his.
Go to YouTube and type in RCEandDAKproductions, which I'll also put in the description below. And check it out. We have some awesome Minecraft videos for you guys.